And they tell me, they're like, Shark, we can't reach the Coca-Cola in there on the CDs because there's all this junk in the way. And it's difficult, Sharky, to get to that can of Coca-Cola. They're telling me they know about it. They're thinking about it. Yesterday, there was one in the window right there. And they were lighting it up, baby. I can feel the energy. For him to shrink down to the size of that can takes energy to grow and to shrink. Oh, he's like, Shark, I can barely. Here on the Sharky Show. What about that can?